If you want to change cell text direction in LibreOffice Calc, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest way to do it step by step. Whether you want your text to read vertically, angle it for a cleaner spreadsheet layout, or simply make your data easier to organize, LibreOffice Calc gives you a simple built-in option for that. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under the Create section. From there, click Calc Spreadsheet if you want to start a new file, or open an existing spreadsheet if you already have one ready to edit. This works great for tables, reports, schedules, and any sheet where you want the text layout to look more polished and organized. Next, select the cells that contain the text you want to change. You can click and drag across a range of cells, or select a single cell if you only want to adjust one entry. This step is important because the formatting change will only apply to the cells you highlight. Once your cells are selected, right-click on them. A context menu will appear, and from that menu, click Format Cells. This opens the formatting options for your selected cells, where you can change everything from font style to alignment settings. Now, in the Format Cells window, go to the Alignment tab. This is where LibreOffice Calc keeps the tools for changing how text sits inside a cell. Here, you'll see options for text alignment, orientation, and rotation. Depending on the version you're using, the labels may look slightly different, but the setting you need will still be in this same area. To change the cell text direction, adjust the text direction or rotation angle. If you want the text to run vertically, rotate it until it matches the layout you want. If you only want the text tilted slightly, set a smaller angle for a more subtle effect. This is especially useful when you're working with narrow columns, headers, or spreadsheet designs where horizontal text takes up too much space. Take a moment to preview the change before applying it. That way you can make sure the text is readable and positioned exactly how you want it. If it looks good, click OK to confirm the settings, and that's it. The text direction inside the selected cells will change immediately. You can repeat the same process for any other cells in your spreadsheet, so you have full control over how your data is displayed. This is a simple but powerful formatting trick that can make your spreadsheets look much cleaner and easier to read. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more LibreOffice tips, spreadsheet shortcuts, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.